Arbitrationagreements.org. Negotiation. It's not just about haggling over a price at a garage sale. It's a method, a skill that many of us employ daily, consciously or not, to resolve conflicts and reach agreements. When two or more parties have differing objectives, negotiation becomes the bridge to find a middle ground. Today we delve into strategies to employ during negotiations and conflict resolution. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Many alternative dispute resolution experts advocate a method called principled negotiation. This approach is about separating the people from the problem, focusing on interests and not positions, inventing options for mutual gain, and insisting on objective criteria. People and problems. They are often tangled up. But the first rule of negotiation is to separate the two. Let's say you are having a heated argument with a colleague about a project deadline. The trick is to focus on the issue, which is the deadline, not the person you're disagreeing with. Next, we focus on interests, not positions. This means looking for the underlying needs, desires, fears, and concerns. Extensive research indicates that 73% of negotiators who focused on interests rather than positions were able to achieve outcomes that met their needs and fostered positive relationships. The third principle is about creativity, about inventing options for mutual gain. Think brainstorming without judgment. Think win-win. Lastly, insist on objective criteria. This is about basing the agreement on some fair standard external to the opinions of the negotiators. This could be market value, precedent, or even a scientific formula. There's also thibat nu, or the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, a term coined by negotiation researchers Roger Fisher and William Ury, is essentially your plan B if the negotiation falls through. Knowing your BATNA gives you the confidence to reject unsatisfactory offers. A study by the University of California found that negotiators who had a strong BATNA, or simply perceived they had one, were likely to negotiate deals 14% more profitable than those who felt they had weak alternatives. Remember, negotiations are a dance, and understanding the rhythm can change the game. The National Institute of Dispute Resolution found that skilled negotiators often structure their negotiation in stages: exploration, bargaining, and settlement. Negotiation isn't about winning or losing, it's about finding a solution that benefits all parties. And while these strategies provide a strong foundation, the key lies in practice and adaptability. So, the next time you find yourself in a conflict, remember these strategies and make negotiation your tool to build bridges, not walls. Do you need more information about negotiation strategies? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case in alternative dispute resolution. Also, what is your favorite negotiation strategy that you believe is the most effective? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.